Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Sketchly. On this tutorial, I'll be taking us on how we can upload files from our Android application in sketchware to our server, our MySQL server, our PHP server, as the case may be, just like the same way we do it in Firebase storage. And the beautiful thing is you can use one more block to do that. So in this tutorial, I'll show us, and I'll also share the project which contains the more block. And also at the video description you can check and see the PHP code. You can upload any PHP file to your server which we will query for to upload the file. So first thing first, what I did is create a project. You can name it anything. Inside the project I enabled inside the project I add this button to pick the image. You can pick the image, you can pick the file. It's your choice, any file type. So added this button, pick image button, pick button 1, then file paths will appear here when we pick the file. The name of the path, that is the storage path in our device, will appear here. Then when we click this button, it will upload the file to server. Then when there is successful upload, the text will appear here, the message will appear here. Or if it's failure upload, the message will appear just like request network. So we add request network component because of internet permission, and we add this pick image component for storage permission to read and write storage. So then we import this code. So with that being said, let's head over to the more block so you know how the more block works. So in my more block, it has the following constructors, which is the website. Website is the name of your website. That is the reference to the PHP file. The file path, that is the path to the image in your storage. The content type, I will talk on this. The file name. So let's take everything step by step. When button 1 is clicked, we use the pick image component to pick file. So when the file has been picked successfully, I've created a string called path, which we will save the path with this block to get the path. So I set the path to underscore file path to get 0. So to get the first image picked. So when the file has been picked, we will store the path in a string called path. And then when we click the upload button, upload to server button, so you can also put the upload to server button immediately the file is picked using this same constructor, but everything should be explained. I break everything down for better understanding. So this is the URL. I just use google.com. You can put your PHP URL here. The file path, that is the path we save. The content type can be, if it's an unknown file, this is the content type. It can also be application JSON, application zip is a zip file. So that is how it is. Content type, then the file name is is get last segment part of file to get the file name. We use this block in the file section plus the file path. So this will give you the file name of any pick file. So now let's get back to our more block and explain better how to use it. Please note that these request network listeners are not being used. So when you see that you download the project and you do not see them, you just know that we don't make use of it. We just add it so that you can add internet permission. So now our upload file block, when the user when you use the upload file block, we explain what happens. So we add this try catch. In case of any exception, it will get us the information so the app will not crash. For instance, if the user does not pick a file or the file is empty and they try to upload, this will make the app not to crash, and we tell them why they cannot upload the file by toasting this. So our add form part is image. Image is like the map key. So image is the map key. Then this is our underscore file name. Then if we are using this project in our activity and our activity name is not main activity, please change main activity here from here to the name of your activity. If it's a fragment, then what you do is you just leave your code like this. You are using sketchware and it's a fragment. By default, sketchware adds get activity. This is the code to use in a fragment. But by default, sketchware adds it, so no need of adding it. Adding it will cause compile error. So if it's a fragment, you just leave it like this. If it's an activity, you write your activity name dot this dot. Also for here, change main activity to activity name, fragment, remove main activity dot this dot, and leave it like that. So if there is an error, server error, it will appear here. For instance, if it's not able to connect, or if we connect, then this is what will happen here if the task is successful. Thanks once more for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Help us grow as we serve you. Thanks for watching once more. Project will be available on Sketchly.